Hi guys, welcome to Sima Yoga. This is Menu Gopinath. So today's yoga practice is all about core strengthening. A strong core is the foundation for all movements in yoga and in our life. So core strengthening helps us to improve our balance, stability, breath control and our overall body posture. So, in short, a strong core supports our day to day daily activities. So, let's get started. Coming to a comfortable seated position on your mat, placing both of your hands on your knees, eyes softly closed, relaxing your shoulders and face muscles. Try to become aware of the breath. Try to deepen the breath. 3 deep, slow breaths. Gently open your eyes. So, keeping your fingertips on your shoulders, inhale, take both elbows to the front, up, exhale, back and down. Continue, inhale up, exhale down. 3 more times. Going on the opposite side, inhale back and up, exhale to the front and down. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 more rounds. Gently relax. Coming to the all four position, where your knees are straight to your hips and hands are straight to your shoulders. Cat and cow stretches. Inhale, try to arch your back. Look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more rounds according to your breath. Gently relax. Coming to the neutral spine. So slightly pull your navel in to keep your spine straight. Now slowly move your body forward so that your shoulder goes ahead of your wrist. And gently come back. Rock forward. Come back. Forward to bear your weight in your wrist. Come back. 3 more rounds. Slow movements. Preparing your wrist. Gently sit back on your legs. So keeping your thumbs inside, close your fingers. Gently rotate your wrist. Reverse. Relax. Gently coming back towards your all four position. Now slowly widen your knees and keep your ankle together. Now gently walk forward. Drop your chest down towards your puppy pose. You can either place the forehead on the mat or chin on the mat. Stay here for 5 breaths. Gently walk back. Child position, keeping both of your arms back. Gently lift yourself up. Take a deep breath. Coming towards your downward facing dog. So starting in all four position, tuck both of your legs. Gently lift your hips up, pushing yourself back. Now slowly straighten one by one knee, placing the heel on the mat. So alternately, press one heel on the mat while bending the other one. Keep stretching your hamstrings. Gently, without any movement, stay in your down dog. One deep breath. On the next inhale, try to roll yourself forward to plank. So in your plank, try to push yourself away from the mat, pulling your navel in. Exhale back towards your down dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale, down dog. 3 more rounds. Inhale to plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Let's try to stay in our plank. Inhale to plank. Stay there for 3 breaths. Keep pushing yourself away from the mat. Abdomen tucked in. 3 breaths here. Find your core getting activated. 1 more last breath. Gently bring your knees down. Sit back on your legs. Find your child position. Deep breath yourself. Gently coming back up. Next, finding your elbow plank. So keeping your elbows straight to your shoulders. Straighten one by one leg. Here also try to push yourself away from the mat, tucking your abdomen. Now slowly dip your hip towards your left side. Come back to the center and towards your right side. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Continue for 3 more rounds. Coming back to the center, hold in your elbow plank. Pull your navel in, shoulders away from your mat. 3 breaths here. Gently bringing your knee down. Go back to your child position. 2 breaths here. Gently come back up. One more variation with your elbow plank. So again coming back to your elbow plank. Inhale. Exhale, twist your body towards your left side, opening your right arm. Find your side plank. Inhale back to center. Exhale towards your left side. Inhale back to center. Exhale towards the other side. So keep lifting your hip up. Back to center. Exhale towards your left side. One last round, coming back to center. Turning towards your right side. Keep lifting your hip up. Stay here for 3 breaths. Gently coming back to the center. Finding the other side for your side plank. Lift your hip up. 3 breaths here. Coming back towards your elbow plank, knees down, child position. Gently come back up. Let's lie down on our back to find bridge position. So bending both the knees, keeping at your hip width, both of your arms along the sides of the body. Now slightly pull your abdomen in. Inhale, try to raise your hip up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more rounds. Let's try to stay there. Inhale up. Stay there. Keep raising your hip up. If possible, gently raise both of your toes up, pressing your heels on the mat. Stay for 3 breaths. Gently place your toes down and your hips down. Gently hug your legs. Rock from left to right. Relaxing your back. Relax. Now next, going towards Pada Sanchalasana. So for that, try to keep both of your hands behind your ears. Slightly raising your chest up. Try to twist and reach your alternate knee. Inhale and exhale. Continue. Make your movement slower. Control the movement and the breath. One last round. Gently relax. So opening your knees in butterfly legs, relax yourself. 2 deep breaths. Gently come back. Now raising your hip up, keep both of your hands under your hips to support your back. Straighten both legs. So inhale, lift both of your legs to 90 degree. Exhale to 45. Inhale back to 90. Exhale to 45. 3 more rounds. Let's try to stay in our 45 for 3 breaths. Slightly pull your abdomen in. One more breath. Gently release, keeping both of your legs in butterfly position. Relax yourself. Let's do one twisting. So keeping your left leg straight. So bring your right leg on your left knee. Your right arm stretches straight to your shoulder. So your left arm will be holding your outer side of your right knee. Inhale. Exhale, drop your right knee towards the left side and gently turn your face towards your right fingertips. Keep breathing. 3 deep breaths here. Gently coming back to the center. Change your legs. Holding the outer side of your left knee with your right hand. Stretch your left hand straight to your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, drop your left knee towards the right side. Turning your face towards your left fingertips. So try and keep both of your shoulders on the mat. Stay for 3 breaths. Gently coming back. Butterfly legs. So keeping your right arm on your belly, left arm on your chest. Close your eyes. Observe the breath for a few moments. Gently take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. Stretch both of your legs straight. Arms besides your body. Eyes softly closed. Finding your Savasana position. Relaxing each and every part of your body. Releasing the tightness, stiffness, both from your physical body and from your mind. Find your stillness. Gently take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. Whenever you are ready, turn on to your right side and slowly come up to the seated position. Gently bringing your palms together at the heart center. Rub your palms. Place it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.